Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss a new chapter, that is chapter 3rd of your science. The chapter name is Fiber to Fabric. In class 6, you have read about the some part of Fiber to Fabric chapter. Means in class 6 you have read some small content of this chapter are few types of fibers. Here I will discuss the fiber which are obtained from the animals. You know that fiber is a thread-like structure which is obtained from the plants and animals, and it can be made by using artificial method. So first I will discuss about the types of fibers. Basically fibers are two types. First is natural fiber and second is artificial fiber, or it is also called man-made fiber. Example of natural fiber is jute, silk, wool. Means we can say the fiber which are obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers, and the fibers which are made artificially by using different types of chemicals are called artificial fibers or man-made fibers. So according to your syllabus, we have to study about two natural fibers. First is wool and second is silk. In natural fiber, first is wool and second is silk. And you know that wool is obtained from the animals and silk is obtained from the insect, or insect is also an animal. So in this chapter we have to study about the animal fiber. First is wool and second is silk. So animals that yield wool, means हम कौन कौन से ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं विच आर बेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ वूल. तो यहाँ पे आपको इफ यू विजिट the hilly region of our country or any other country, then you will get there are different types of wool yielding animals, means the animal from which we can obtain wool. ऐसे first is अंगूरा wool. Second is goat, third is yak, fourth is camel, fifth is llama, and sixth is alpaca. So these are the animals which are found in different regions of the world from which we can obtain wool. But here the question that from which animal we can get best amount of wool or wool which is highly stable and more durable. So for this purpose the scientists start a practice or technique to select the better breed या फिर एनिमल ब्रीड which yield best types of woolen fibers. So if you see different species of animals which gives wool fibers, then you will get that there is differentiation among the all species in yielding of wool. मीन्स वूल की क्वालिटी जो होगी और उसके प्रोडक्शन में सब स्पीसीज में या जितने एनिमल्स हैं सब में आपको कुछ न कुछ डिफरेंस मिलेंगे। इसके लिए साइंटिस्टों ने एक न्यू टेक्निक डेवलप की दैट इज कॉल्ड selective breeding. Means rearing of animals, wool yielding animals to get good quality of wool fibers is called selective breeding. So in selective breeding we keep those animals which yield best types of wool. So due to this reason, for large scale production of the wool fibers we select a breed of sheep or a breed of camel or a breed of goat to get good quality of wool. So after selective breeding, the next topic is processing of wool into fibers into wool. Processing of fibers into wool मीन्स जब हम किसी भी फाइबर को एनिमल फाइबर को लेंगे तो उसको कैसे वूल में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे, तो देयर आर डिफरेंट स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट इज सीएलिंग. The first step is shearing, and in shearing we cut the wool or fleece of animals from their body. So suppose that it is the structure of skin of any goat or any sheep which yields wool. So in suppose that it is the hair, and hair is also called fleece. So in removal of the hairs or fleece we cut the hair from this type, means स्किन के ठीक ऊपर से फ्लीस या हेयर को रिमूव करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन। जैसे ही मतलब कि आपने इसको रिमूव किया, द फ्लीस ऑफ द sheep along with the layers of skin is removed in shearing। अब यहाँ पे जब शेयरिंग हो गई, मतलब यू हैव कलेक्टेड द हेयर्स, देन द सेकेंड स्टेप विल बी स्कॉलिंग, SCOURING। You know that the fleece or hair obtained from the sheep is very dirty, means it contains dead skin, different types of dust and some other impurity, so there is need of washing of fleece. So to remove the dust, dirt and grease from the hair of sheep or fleece of sheep. So in scouring we wash the, या फिर scouring is also called washing of fleece to remove dirt, dead skin and grease from the fleece of sheep. So today I will discuss only two process. First is shearing and second is scouring. The next process I will discuss in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.